Morning, guys. Currently Tuesday, October 1st, 10 a.m. Perth time, 10 p.m. Monday night Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, yesterday was a good day with the trading. Got up pretty decent on my Forex 5K account. Trying to just like kind of push through that account, bro. Like get that shit passed so we can actually start making some money. I'm looking at the charts today. And it seems like everything's already in motion, bro. Like it looks like I've missed the entries for like any Asia setups, this and that. There's a setup on gold, EU playing out right now. I'm about to look at the futures charts, but because right now we're getting one of those sus Asia rallies where we just rally for fucking ages. Definitely not taking anything on indices, especially with it being Asia session. Like I just don't do that. But yeah, man, let me show you all the setups that I'm seeing right now. So we got this nice long setup on gold playing out soup into a 6-hour order block, and we're starting to get the push right now. Didn't really have much of a Model 1 tap, but we did have a 30-minute Bissy tap to continue the move. That would have been where I probably would have got in. So yeah, as you can see, like it's already pretty high. EU, kind of the same type of move, souping all these lows, souping all this liquidity into a 6-hour order block to continue a move higher, or at least get a retracement trade higher. And that's currently already playing out. I might mark out this order block here on the 1 hour and see how we react off of that, and we could possibly find something. But yeah, man, not too exciting this morning. Like seems like everything is already like playing out and shit. That's the thing with Asia. So if anything, I'll be trying to find a setup so I can maybe catch a trade for like London expansion on one of these pairs. I'm also going to check the JPY pairs in a bit, see what's going on there. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at this morning. Nothing too much to just jump into. Just wanted to talk to y'all about like the main issue that I still have in trading. The main issue that be holding me back on most days. Like overall, my technicals on point. What I'm looking for on point. Targets usually on point. But my issue is that I still have big problem holding a trade, not partialing too soon. I'm one of those people that like once I'm in a trade, like I have a fear of losing. Like and it doesn't even matter the amount. Like whether I'm like up 1,000 or I'm up like $50. Like when I see green or I see blue, I never want to see that shit turn red. I have to remember in trading that with trading, it's an RR game. It's not about the win rate. You can have a 20-30% win rate, but if you have big winners, you can still be mad profitable. And that's even what you want to strive for. You want to be able to add to winners. You want to be able to scale in. That's how you're going to be able to get those big jumps in the equity curve. Couple of losses, big jump in the equity curve again, couple losses. And that's the best way to tackle trading. And I know it's hard in the moment to kind of remember that. And I have big issues with that. So like being a year into it, like I'm more right than I'm wrong in general. But if I always held full position to 3-to-1 RRs and then went break even or something like that without taking any partials or any of the position off, I think I would be a lot more profitable than what I am. But right now I'm sitting like just above the break even stage. It feels like for me, like I am adding to accounts. Like it's not really like going into drawdown or slowly going down. They more slowly go up. But if I were to just hold trades, I feel like I'd be able to just like smash through evals, smash through the payout phase. So this is a big issue that like I'm going through. I'll keep y'all updated kind of like how I'm dealing with it, like best techniques, strategies to be able to overcome that, because it really is just like a fear of losing. It's not even like me being fixated on the money. Like I just don't want to lose. Maybe I'm just like competitive as fuck. I played a lot of sports growing up, this and that, but like, yeah, I really need to get over that issue. Cause I feel like once I get over that issue, I'm able to actually hold trades and allow RRs to come to me, allow myself to get 3 times the reward than what I risked without any partials being taken out. So a full 3-to-1 RR. As soon as I can start doing that shit and just like putting on a trade and just leaving it, not at break even, just stop loss, TP, just not even look at it. As soon as I can do that, bro, man, I feel like sky's the limit for me. Right now, There's not really much going on still. EU might have a little something. Gold starting to pull back a little bit as well. Yes, guys, so I'm in a small scalp on UJ based off of the 1 minute time frame. We are currently in a little bit of profit based on the 1 hour order block, just to take price to these highs up here. So we'll see how that goes. We're floating in a bit of profit now. Yeah, so stopped out of that UJ trade. That's why I knew like I was just going for a scalp. I put the stop very close because I was getting in a bit late. Did just hop in a gold long. This one I will be holding. I like this one. We're coming off of the 15-minute order block with a 5-minute soup within. As you can see here, 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame soup within 15-minute order block here. Aiming for these highs up here. Yeah, dead haps, guys. Dead hap, bro. It's annoying because I just went to the toilet. As I was in the toilet, fucking price went up and got out this liquidity there. And I definitely would have partialed if I was here for that. So a little bit annoying, but yeah. So I exited the trade early just in case it comes down. But I'm looking at this 5-minute Model 1 here. I want to see a possible 5-minute soup within it, and then we can re-enter. So let's see how we go. So hop back in on UJ after we got a pullback, and we are currently going. We are up about 20 bucks after some partials have been taken. Yeah, so not too much else going on. Up a measly like 20 bucks. Took that initial L on gold, initial L on UJ, and then got it all back on UJ, plus a little 20 bucks. So, you know, a pretty slow morning on the Forex. I'm monitoring a setup on EU. But besides that, that'll probably be like the last trade that I even consider taking. But yeah, you know, slow and steady with these Forex prop firms, at least compared to futures. There's no monthly subscription. You can take your time. It's just, I'm trying to push it a little bit just because it is a very small account. Yesterday, TFT did have a discount on the 5K and 10K account. So I did grab a 10K challenge as well, just while it was cheap. So I want to get through at least phase 1 of the 5K before I trade the 10K. But yeah, so that's where we're sitting right now, up about 170 on the account. So almost 2/5 of the way done. So yeah, not too bad. Bit of a slow morning, but you know, we got some trades in there. So I'm just gonna be chilling. I might trade futures for London and see if there's anything good. But when it comes to EU, GU, I'm good on all that. It just looks like it's consolidating. There's news at 5 in 2 hours, so rather just chill on that. Yeah, so NQ and ES London session was a bit mid, didn't end up taking anything. I had the 300K account like out ready to go, and I was like, nah, I ain't finna put like the first trade on this account, ain't gonna be on this. So nah, I didn't really take anything. I'm gonna look over the Forex pairs real quick. I want to see what gold is doing right now. So if I take a trade, I'll let y'all know. If I don't, then y'all catch me just before New York session, where the 300K will be out. What's good, gang? Currently pre-New York session right now. I haven't taken any more trades since, I don't even know the last one I took. I think it was gold or the UJ trade. Haven't taken any trades since then. Just waiting for the indices market to open at 9:30. It's currently almost 8. So I'm gonna have some dinner here in a bit, and then have a shower and just get mentally prepared for the session. I will be bringing out the 300K fresh funded account. I really want to practice holding my trades today. If I get a nice setup and I believe a certain target will be met, I want to hold the trade until that terminus, until it reaches that level that I expect. So we'll see how we go. Obviously, like if I'm seeing signatures going against me when we're at a certain point, I'm going to act accordingly. I do want to practice holding my trades, even on a funded account, even on the biggest funded account that you can get. Because even though it says 300K, like 7,500 of drawdown, right? So I plan on going in with 2 minis, and we'll see how we go. But yeah, so I'll talk to y'all after the session. I'll update y'all any trades that I took, if I take any at all, how they went, and yeah, catch y'all in a bit. Man, bit of an unfortunate day today, guys. I did get my setup, but it occurred within
5 minutes of the 10 o'clock news dropping. And I actually need to go review the rules for Apex, but I did not want to violate any fucking news rules because I know Apex has a thing where like you might break a rule, this and that, and then work your ass off to get a payout, and then they won't say anything until you get to the request, and then it's like, oh, back 3 weeks ago, fucking month ago, you did this, denied, and it's like, bruv. So I'd rather just like not risk that. So yeah, big huge drop today on NQ. As you can see, that was my setup over here with the 15-minute SMT high from news and just full drop. Didn't really feel like taking anything after that because there were no SMTs. We did get a nice soup there, which I guess I could have executed on, but at least for my first trade on the 300K, I just want it to be a bread and butter, super solid trade. Because I ain't going to be going in with like two minis, and at least in volatility like this, in New York session, like two minis with a decent like 80 tick stop loss, like that's a good like $800. So yeah, I'm going to be taking it slow, you know, there's no rush. These PAs, they're paid for, whatever, there's going to be more good setups. I'm just going to wait for the next good setup. So yeah, no trades on the futures today. Forex as well, haven't taken any other trades. So yeah, it was pretty much just a break-even day today. It's kind of chill, just watching the markets, doing my thing. Not trying to force anything is a real big thing. So making sure I stay dialed in, stay under control of like my own mental, this and that when it comes to the trading thing. So yeah, man, just another day as a trader. And like, that's the one thing with trading, bro. It's like, it feels like you're not getting enough work done, this and that. But trading doesn't work like that, bro. Like, you could have no trades for a month and you're like, man, I'm not making any fucking money, this and that. And then one solid fucking Goldilocks setup pulls up. As long as you put decent risk on, and it's like, boom, like 5K or some shit in like one day. So it's just like, that's the potential for trading. So like, when you're starting out, you know, a trade where you make $200, you know, one day that can be 10K on that trade. Which is why you just want to take the best setups possible and not force anything. But then when you do see your trade, it's so clear, it's right there. Yeah, you need to be getting in like good risk. I'm gonna go look at the fucking Apex news rules because yeah, like today it kind of annoyed me. I saw it right there, and then just like all those like blasting in my head is just like, yeah, but like what if I take this and then like later down the line they deny my shit because it was like a couple minutes off the news. I'm like, so yeah, that's gonna be it for today. NQ is just dropping like crazy. I might see if we get another setup. I'll just watch for a little bit, but pretty done for the day. So yeah, that was today, a little Tuesday action. We do have NFP on Friday, so I don't even know if I'll be having the 300K out tomorrow and Thursday. It will be out on NFP day. From experience, I've done pretty well on NFP days. It's just usually a clear manipulation. The chart has usually set up where there's a pretty clear doll. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, for now, break even day, not too bad. I'm going to uni tomorrow, so I won't be able to trade London or Asia in the morning. I gotta be at uni at like 11 or some shit. So yeah, man, that's the week so far. Not trying to force anything. Obviously, I do feel a little bit like, damn, like I want to take a trade, I want to make some money, this and that. But it could have been the potential to lose money, or it could have been the potential to get denied a payout later on. And like, what a feeling that would be. So it's just like, nah, it's all good. It's just one day out of fucking many. So yeah, that's the end of the video, gang. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. There'll be more setups to come. There's always another setup. I ain't sweating it. You don't sweat it either when it happens to you. No FOMO doesn't exist. There's setups every motherfucking day, bruv. So yeah, with that said, catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.